guys, my name is Aditya Intan Ratnasari. I'm from B class. My student number is F311915557. So today I will talk about expository writing. So let's start begin. So guys, today I will tell about definition of expository writing, and then the generic structure of expository writing, and then the last is types of expository writing. Let's move to the first material, that is a definition of expository writing. So guys, expository writing is types of writing that used to explain, describe, give information, or inform factual information. When we write expository writing or expository text, we must have assumed that our reader not have a prior knowledge about the topic that we discuss. Why? Because when we have the assume, we will more detail when we writing the topic that we will discuss. So we will find out the information, we will search as much as we can the information, so our expository text will be a complete text. So the next is generic structure of expository writing. There are three generic structure in expository writing. The first is introduction, the second is body, and then the third is conclusion. In the introduction, we tell about the topic that we discuss in general, and also we can give the overview to the reader about what the topic that we will discuss in the text. In the body, we will tell or explain about the topic that we bring in our discuss in the text. In the body, it consists of main idea and also supporting idea or supporting sentence. At least in a body there are 3 paragraphs, but it depends on how much the main point that we tell or we discuss in our text. And then the third is, or the last is conclusion. In the conclusion, we must give the reader a whole idea of the text. I think in this conclusion we should not give a summary from the introduction until the conclusion, until the body and the last paragraph in a body text, but I think we can write a restatement of the topic that we bring at the text, or we can give a solution, we can give a suggestion of what action that we must do. And then the next is types of expository writing. Expository writing have 5 types. The first is description, the second is sequence or process, the third is comparison and contrast, and then the fourth is cause and effect, and the last is problem or solution. The first is description. In the description, we tells about describe something. It can be an ideas, things, or person. In description, there are keyword. The keyword is for example, and the characteristic are. And then the second types of expository writing is sequence or process. In sequence or process, we tells about what something we need to complete the task or produce something. In another word, it means that in sequence or process, we talks about how something can be done. The keyword for sequence or process is a first, second, third, next, and we can use finally. The third types of expository writing is comparison or contrast. In comparison and contrast, we tell about the similarities or differences about two things or more. The keywords in comparison or contrast is different, in contrast, like, same as, and on the other hand. And the fourth types of expository writing is cause and effect. Cause and effects describes or tells about how two or more events have a relationship. In other words, it tells about why something happened and what the consequence. The keyword for cause and effect is reason why, if, then, as a result, therefore, and because. And then the last types of expository writing is problem or solution. Now, in problem or solution, it tells about it present a problem, and then it will give a possible solution to solve the problem. And then the keyword for problem and solution types is the problem is, the dilemma is, puzzle is solved, and the question and answer. Okay guys, that's all from expository writing. Thank you for your time and for your attention. See you!